Earth Day is on the way, so let's make some crafts. Paper Plate Earth Day craft. This is a fun and simple one to make. Draw the earth image and then color it. I'm using acrylic. You can use watercolor or marker or any other medium. Leave it out to dry and trace your hand on any tan color paper you want and cut it out. Now glue the cutout like you're holding the earth. I'm adding a heart over here. You can add any type of message like Save Planet Earth or Let's Recycle. The next one we're making is a cute Earth Day headband. You can find the printable in the description box. We colored the earth and cut it out. Make a band using paper and take the earth cutout and stick it on. So this is how we made our Earth Day headband. Let's do a fun Earth Day card. That was it for today. See you next time and happy Earth Day!